Hello and welcome. I'm your host, Chase Majerus, and here's your Monday update on This Week Today, brought to you by Synergy One Lending. Let's get right into it. As home prices and interest rates both continue to rise, potential homebuyers will need to be prepared for higher monthly mortgage payments this spring. According to a new report by realtor.com, the monthly mortgage payment for a medium price home nationwide now stands at a little over $1,400 before taxes and insurance, up nearly 13% from a year ago. Low inventory for available homes is a huge factor in rising home prices. Danielle Hale, chief economist of realtor.com, says this spring's home buyers will have to make a decision. Do they give up some desired home features to get into that lower price range, or do they dig deeper into their wallets? On March 21st, Federal Reserve officials met for the first time under new chairman Jerome Powell, where they raised short-term lending rates a quarter point. The recent rise implies that Fed officials are expecting a lift in GDP this year and next from tax cut passed by Republicans in December. Policymakers continue to project a total of 3 rate increases this year. The 10-year Treasury yield fell to 2.8% last Thursday as concerns of a global trade dispute incited a market sell-off in a wild shift from Wednesday's high of 2.93%. After the Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell more than 700 points Thursday amid growing trade tensions. These unpredictable swings in treasuries have an effect on mortgage rates day to day. After a decline in the previous 2 months, existing home sales ran at a seasonally adjusted annual pace of over 5.5 million in February, says the National Association of Realtors. This pace is an increase of just 1% over the same period a year ago. On Friday, the Commerce Department released data on new home sales for February, and to the market's surprise, they were slightly down for the 3rd month in a row. On the other hand, due to the limited number of new homes being built, the average price of a new home sold in February was up almost 10% from a year ago. And rounding out This Week Today is the economic calendar update. Wednesday looks to be the busiest day, where viewers should keep their eyes and ears open for an announcement on MBA mortgage applications, the pending home sales index, and the final reading on 4th quarter GDP. Well, that's just about all the time that we have. Thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Chase Majerus, and this has been your update on This Week Today. Check out Synergy One on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and you can find me, Chase Majerus, on all those social media platforms as well. Have a great week.